Did you see me make this button backsplash last week? Well, I'm going to answer all the questions that I got about it, including how much it cost me. The number one question that was asked was the sticky paper that I used to put the buttons on the wall. Muscle bound, tile adhesive. And all the supplies that I used can be found in the link in my bio. Did any of the paint come off of the buttons? As you can see right here, came off a little. That one came off a little. It doesn't bother me. I think it gives it a little bit of character. Am I worried about the buttons melting? No, because this is my stove, and clearly they're not going to be anywhere close to the heat. What about sealing the backsplash? I haven't yet. Right now, I'm leaning towards a hydrophobic sealant. Is this backsplash going to be hard to clean? Assuming that I properly seal it, I don't think it's going to be any harder than another backsplash with white grout. Why didn't I just leave the buttons as they were? If I could have gotten these colors with original buttons that I hadn't have spray painted, I would have done that in a heartbeat. And I'm sure you could do that, actually. It would just cost a lot of money. Now on to some of the suggestions that people gave me. To do a button clock above the window. I like to walk the line between maximalism and traditional. I don't want it to be a button themed kitchen. I just want it to be a kitchen with a button backsplash that's kind of cool. How much did this backsplash actually cost? Total cost is $337.63. That breaks down to about $13 a square foot. $13 a square foot, all included, is actually a really good price. Don't buy the muscle bound, the grout, or the Schluter trim on Amazon. They're very expensive there. Just go to your local hardware store and purchase them there.